Good day, sir. Welcome to Gota Box Santa Mesa. I will be your attendant for the day. Do you have any reservations, sir?
Actually, yes, it is booked under Antoniano Pierre.
Okay, sir. Your table number is number 8, non-smoking area. This way, please. This is table number 8, non-smoking area, as you requested, sir. Is the table alright with you? Are there any complaints, any requests?
It's okay, that won't be necessary.
May I unfold your table napkin, sir?
Sure, okay.
Here's some water while I get the menu for you, sir.
Sure, okay.
Here is our menu card as for when you are ready to take your order, sir.
Oh, okay, thank you.
I highly recommend our Miss Universe series. We have the Catriona, the Lacan, and the Marik. They are all brand new, but if you want something plain, we have K1, K2, K3, K4, and K5. All are lugaw, but different add-ons. We have tokwa and baboy, chicken meat, we have boiled egg, we have a mix of all, and we have only plain lugaw.
Thank you for the suggestion. I'll think it over.
Are you ready to take your order, sir?
Ah, yes, I'll gladly take K3 goto with boiled egg. Thank you.
Would you like your boiled egg to be fully cooked, sir?
Ah, no, I like my boiled egg a bit runny.
Okay, sir, noted.
Can you add more of that, what do you call that? That green stuff?
Spring onion?
Ah, yeah, exactly that. Can you add more of it, please?
Okay, sir.
May I ask you something?
What is it, sir?
Can you add another calamansi to my order? Thank you.
Okay, sir, then I will repeat your order now. 1 K3 goto with a runny boiled egg and additional spring onions and calamansi. Is that right with you, sir?
Yeah, that'll be alright. Thank you.
I'll be back with your order. Here are your utensils, sir, and your additional
Thank you.
calamansi. Here is your goto with the runny boiled egg and your spring onion. Would you like anything else, sir?
No, that won't be necessary.
I will be at the side if you have any concerns, sir.
Alright.
Would you like some water for you, sir?
Okay, thank you.
Good day, sir. Would you like to try our desserts? We have leche flan, we have some scramble with different flavors like ube, like mango, and we also have pandan.
No, thank you.
Here is your bill, sir. I will be nearby if you need anything else, sir. And thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed your time with us. Thank you for dining with Gota Box. We anticipate to see you again.
I hope to sit in your section the next time I visit. Goodbye.